Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming exactly which devices are converting ambient energy and where they feed power. Turn off main breakers for the affected zone, then disconnect storage like batteries so residual charge is removed. Use a multimeter to verify 0 volts at terminals. If you see voltage, keep isolation in place. Once done, tag the circuit and secure lockout procedures so nobody re-energizes the system while you work. This prevents backfeeding and keeps you safe as you proceed. Next, disconnect harvesters from their charge controllers or converters by removing connectors or unsoldering low-voltage leads. Use rated tools and maintain polarity awareness. If removal is impractical, install a properly rated bypass or fuse to prevent energy flow into the system, and disable any MPPT or boost circuits in the controller. Make sure to insulate exposed conductors and secure mounting. Once done, measure both open circuit voltage and underload behavior so you know the harvest source no longer supplies usable power. To finish, confirm all harvesters remain disconnected and recheck the system for stray voltage before re-energizing unrelated circuits. Make a brief diagnostic log and take photos of changes so you can reverse steps if needed. If you still detect unexpected power, systematically trace wiring for secondary sources, parasitic diodes, or ground loops that may be feeding energy back. Use the multimeter and clamp meter to pinpoint current paths. When you find the culprit, repeat isolation and repair or replace the faulty component.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.